We are here at Broadway Mall. I wonder if the elevators will. Uh-oh. What's this? The elevator is broken. Beautiful. It's upstairs. So what that? Double escalator is broken. So, you know, we get to ride today. We get to ride a freight elevator because I'm allowed. Oh, I just love this mall. Elevator is always messed up or broken. Never see it normal otherwise. So, let's ride the freight. It's the second time already on this thing. Stupid funny. Oh, there it is. Tiara. Let's see how this thing's doing. It's already my third time on this. That's how bad the main elevator here is. This one's much better. Look at this. Let me get a picture of that for Ethan. Okay. I completely take back what I said about the elevators being good. PC there. Watch the indicator on the way down. It was low and oil last time too, which is even better. Schindler, you're not doing a good job. Okay, let's do this method. Where's the door? Jesus Christ. Alright, that's it. Actually, let's look up at 2. Let's see. Oh. Look at this. Wow. Wonder what happened. Just like stopped. Alright, well, that's it.